What's up YouTube? This is Julie back at ya. I'm going to show you today some of our quick flips that we had for the month of October. I don't think I've done a quick flip video in a couple weeks, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a few more than I usually do. We may make them a once a month thing instead of once a week what we were doing. A lot of work to put videos together. I know I don't do anything too extravagant, but I want to. So trying to get a bunch of stuff listed, so we haven't been putting up videos like we were. We're at about, I think, 2,215 videos listings right now, so that's pretty awesome. Fourth quarter's been great so far, and we hope to get the listings up and our sales up. I think we're up at least 25% from last year. So that's a huge improvement, and yeah, I hope you enjoy what we have for you here. Most of these items came from either a garage sale or thrift stores like Goodwill, Savers, Salvation Army, or the Goodwill outlet store. So hope you enjoy. Here they are.
So the first item is this 1977 Fisher-Price Charlie doll. It was on sale and it sold for $26.96. Picked it up, I believe, at a garage sale for 50 cents, and that took 2 days to sell, and we cleared $20.55 on that. And then found this PlayStation at Goodwill. I paid $12 for it. It sold the same day, probably within a few hours. Don't remember. Sold for $72. I cleared $51.35 after fees on that. I found these Birkenstocks at Goodwill Outlet. Paid about $1 for them, and they also went on sale that day. For $31.16 they sold. It took just 10 days for those to sell, and I cleared $21.51 after all said and done, all fees, shipping, everything. These Merrills were also found at Goodwill Outlet. Paid about $1.75 for them. Sold for, we took a best offer on these for $37.50. It took 2 days to sell, and we cleared $25.80. This is a bag I found at a garage sale. I paid $5 for it. They were asking $10. I offered them $5. She took it no problem. It's a really good one to look out for. Avenues America. Got $60 for it, and it was only on the market for 12 days. So it was a pretty quick flip. I cleared $41.62 on that. These mini Tonkas were also found at Goodwill Outlet. Paid about $1 for them. Sold them for $31.96. Those were on the same shoe sale that day. They were listed for 10 days before they sold, and they cleared $21.81 after shipping and fees. These Lucky brand boots also were from the outlet. Let's see, those were listed for 3 days before we got an offer for $28. And we cleared $14.86 on those. Those were a little bit much to ship. These Abercrombie pants, got them at Savers, I think it's just a week ago. Paid $3.84 after, I think we had a 30% discount. That was the day we were shopping with my mom. I got them listed that night. They sold the next day for $30. After all the fees, it cleared $19.53. These shoes I found at a garage sale, and they were listed for 10 days. Turned around and sold them. They were on sale for $35.96. They sold after the 10 days. Cleared $25.03. This Furby, it sold the same day as it was listed, but it took a few days for the e-check to clear, but it finally did. We got $25 for it, $24.95. And I don't have what we cleared on that, but I don't think it was too terribly much to ship. This Girl Scout vest came from the Goodwill outlet store. Paid about 25 cents for it. It was really light. Got $17 for it. Took 2 days to sell. Cleared $12.61. These beautiful Mark Nason boots. You got to look out for these. They're gorgeous boots. I paid the exact amount I paid. It was $12.59, and I got $2.50 for them after 2 days of being listed, and I cleared $209.13. So that was really good. The fees were like $22 on eBay final value fees or something. This Oakley laptop bag paid $9.09 at Savers. It was listed for 2 days before it sold for $55. Cleared $41 on that. This router I actually had purchased for our home use, and we ended up finding another router, so it wasn't used. I paid $40 for it on eBay in this exact same condition, certified refurbished from Linksys, and I actually sold it for a little bit more. For $58.95 it sold after 5 days. I cleared $44.60, so I actually made $4 on something I bought on eBay. The American Eagle jeans I got at the outlet, paid about $1.25 for them. Sold them for $28.95 after 11 days of being listed, and cleared $18.86 on those. Another pair of Abercrombie and Fitch shorts, $30 I sold them for, paid $3.84, cleared $20.08. This tackle box had some lures in there. Picked this up at a garage sale, cleaned it up a little bit, and that sold. I paid $4 for that. Sold for $30. Cleared $16.19, and it was listed for only 6 days. This gorgeous floral needlepoint pillow. Sarah picked this up, I think, at the outlet. She paid about 75 cents for it. Flipped it for $30, and it was listed for only 7 days, and she cleared $21.77. This shirt, let's see, she paid $3.84 for it. Sold it for $27.95. It was listed for only 3 days, and we cleared $17.96. And then these Columbia rock pants, I bought them for $4.50 at a Goodwill. Sold them for $28.95. They were listed for 13 days, and I cleared $18.86. And a couple more here. I found this fossil bag at a garage sale. You guys may remember if you saw us on that trip. Paid $7 for it, flipped it for $50. It was really clean. I don't even think it was actually used. So Fossil is a good brand to look out for. That was a quick flip. Made, let's see, $36.75 after fees, and that was listed for 13 days. And then the last thing was the same garage sale. I bought that purse from. This Fossil wallet sold. I paid $2, sold it for $20. They had a garage sale sticker on there, so right here. Kind of annoying, but that wouldn't come out, so I listed it and said it has a darkened circle. So I only got $20 for it. May have got a little bit more if it didn't have that damage, but I cleared $14.22, and that was listed for 20 days. So you can see, we did pretty well. Let's see here. So we totaled it up, and it looks like we spent a total of $122.10 on these items. Gross profit was $1,006.29, and net profit after eBay fees, PayPal fees, and shipping fees, we cleared $17.14 and 28 cents. So pretty good overall. So we cleared like 682 for spending $122. So that's pretty good. October's been a great month for us. We look forward to see what November brings. And if you like what we do and what we show you, subscribe and like our videos. And we'll see you next time on the Sunnyside Shop.